we can see that how we can iterate the looped element. So first we take array data, and inside the array data we add some elements, and we have lots of way to print the array data. First of all, we see for each and element console.log element. Now we run this file. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is simplest way to print the array. And first and second, 4, and one const value of array data of. Now print that console.log value. First is comment out, and now run this file. Check 10, 20, 30, 40. So we can also iterate the array data, JSON array data, any type of iterating which is stored inside the array form. So we can iterate this way. So that's it. We have also another types, is a for loop, advanced for loop. So I just showing here only two way we can iterate. Standard. This is a standard way to iterate the looping data. So that's